My name is 𝙅𝙤𝙗 𝙒𝙚. I am the Senior Director of Scoreboard and Live Production. From the moment that we turned the sound system on, our fans loved it. The overall sound quality, the loudness in the bowl, being able to actually understand the video content that we're running, but get that really great quality that you want from what kind of video production we run here. Overall, I think the fans really loved it, and over time, you can really see the reaction as they're really into it. So we were dealing with our sound system from the original install in 2007, and after 15 years, it was time to make an upgrade. We partnered with 𝙅𝙤𝙗 Audio and Visual to come up with a new line array system that would give us better coverage in the arena, give a better experience to our fans, and that's where it came across last summer to get it done. Being able to say yes, let's go at the end of a season last year, and to get it done over a summer that included the MTV Video Music Awards, graduations, a number of events that came into a very busy building. They came with a plan and they got it done, and we couldn't have been happier with the end result. I would say a takeaway that we got is to have more time, but at the end of the day, like even with a tight turnaround, partnering with the right person was important, and partnering with 𝙅𝙤𝙗 Audio Visual and Starla was the right decision. We were able to take that tight turnaround and really knock it out of the park.
Adaptive Technologies Group places a great deal of thought and careful planning into a final loudspeaker rigging design, such as what you are seeing in this video. Relative ease of installation, cluster adjustability, and precision aiming were some of the key directives given to adaptive engineers to develop rigging of line arrays, backfills, and sidefills inside the Prudential Center arena in Newark, New Jersey. This wasn't the first time that Adaptive Technologies Group designed loudspeaker rigging there. The original loudspeaker installation that 𝙅𝙤𝙗 spoke of back in 2007 was also designed and built by Adaptive Technologies Group. Adaptive's mounting and rigging designs are found around the world. Being invited to build loudspeaker rigging a second time, 15 years later, is certainly a measure of Adaptive's importance as a valued resource within the pro audio and video industry. When you need an AV installation done right, give one of our application specialists a call or visit us at www.adaptivetechnologiesgroup.com.